In the bonus day, we're just going to talk about just globally the whole note space overall. It's going to be everything from the drill down into buying non-performing notes. It's going to be the drill down into buying performing notes, which, by the way, is an incredible value buy in the market that a lot of people really don't realize. It's going to be leveraging strategies, how you could take as little as $100 in a Roth IRA and end up owning a $100,000 real estate note. When you get the money, it's going to be tax-free forever because you did it in a Roth. There's about 300,000 bank foreclosed properties in the market today. There's about 9 million defaulted notes. We're going to talk about financing strategies and selling a property. We find that houses that are typically in the price band that we focus on a lot in the non-performing note space, those houses can be sold at way more than what the realtor thinks they can be sold for. So we're going to talk specifically about how to do that, and that's not just selling it with an insignificant down payment. Literally, we're going to show you how you can sell a house for about 50% down and owner finance 50% on a fairly short-term note, but still sell the house and maybe more than the realtor thinks it's worth. So there's a lot of note strategies we're going to talk about. Yes, we're going to spend about half the day talking about non-performing notes, but we're going to spend the other half of the day talking about creative strategies with notes that are not highly recognized in the market.